Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic of trigonometry, which is conditional identities involving the angles of a triangle. This topic is not included in your NCERT book, but in board exams, sometimes a question is asked from this topic. So we are going to understand this topic. In this topic, we have to use mainly four formulas of trigonometry, which are sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. I have told you about these formulas. Sin C plus sin D is equals to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 cos C minus D upon 2. Sin C minus sin D equals 2 cos C plus D upon 2 sin C minus D upon 2. Cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 cos C minus D upon 2. And cos C minus cos D is equals to minus 2 sin C plus D upon 2 sin C minus D upon 2. These four formulas you have to use in this exercise. And there is a condition given to you that A plus B plus C is equals to 5, which is the condition of a triangle, that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So you have to use this condition to solve these type of problems. It is given to you in the question. Now see how to solve these questions. We are taking a question which is sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c is equals to 4 times cos A cos B sin C. You have to prove it. We will start from the left hand side, and it is given to you for all the questions that A plus B plus C equal 5. LHS equal sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C equal. Now apply sin C plus sin D in the first two terms and sin 2x in the third term. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D upon 2, means 2a plus 2b upon 2, cos C minus D upon 2 means 2a minus 2b upon 2, minus sin 2c equal 2 times sin 2 is taking 2 common from the numerator and it will cancel out from the denominator. So it becomes 2 sin A plus B cos A minus B minus sin 2c. Now we have transformed this A plus B into the terms of C. as it is given that a plus b plus c equal pi. From here the value of a plus b is equals to pi minus c. Put this value in place of a plus b. We get 2 sine pi minus c cos a minus b minus sine 2c equal to sine pi minus theta is equals to sine theta. Pi minus theta means the value lies in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant the sign is positive. So this is equals to 2 sine c cos a minus b minus, now open this as sine 2x. Sine 2x is equals to 2 sine x cos x. So this will become 2 sine c cos c. Now see, 2 sine c is common. Taking common, 2 sine c bracket cos a minus b minus cos c. Clear? Now this is in terms of a and b, and this is in terms of c. So we cannot transform it into c, but we can transform this value into terms of a plus b. Now see, from here the value of c is equals to pi minus a plus b. We can write in place of c pi minus a plus b. Use this value, 2 sine c cos a minus b minus cos pi minus a plus b. Cos pi minus theta is cos theta. Pi minus theta means the angle lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant the value of cos is negative. So this will become 2 sine c cos a minus b, and this is equals to minus cos theta, so minus minus plus, and cos a plus b. Now again use cos c plus cos t. We get 2 sine c 2 times cos c plus d, a minus b plus a plus b upon 2 cos c minus d, a minus b minus a minus b upon 2 equal 2 times sin c, 2 times, this is minus, this is plus, cancel out, this is plus, this is minus, cancel out. Now cos 2a upon 2 means cos a, 2 times cos a, cos minus 2b upon 2 cos minus b. Cos minus x is equals to cos x. So this will become 2 2s are 4 cos a cos b sin c, which is the right hand side of your question. So in this way, similar method, similar procedure you have to apply in all the questions of sine and cos. First you have to apply the sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d according to question in the first 2 terms, and third term you have to open by the identity sin 2x or cos 2x. You get some common factors, then take in common outside and again change the angle into same form as I have changed here c into a plus b. So again apply here cos c plus cos t. You will apply according to your question and solve it, we get the required result. Now see another question. Next question, sin square A minus sin square B plus sin square C equal two times sin A cos B sin C. We have to prove it. In this question, we will start from left hand side, sin square A minus sin square B plus sin square C. Now first, we have to convert it from square into double angle. We have a formula, cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. From here, sin square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Use this formula, we get 1 minus cos 2a upon 2 minus 1 minus cos 2b upon 2 plus 1 minus cos 2c upon 2 equal, taking 1 by 2 common, we get 1 minus cos 2a minus 1 plus cos 2b plus 1 minus cos 2c. This is of plus 1, this is minus 1, cancel out. Then 1 by 2, 1 minus, taking minus common, we get cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c equal 1 by 2, 1 minus, apply cos c minus cos t, minus 2 sin 2a plus 2b upon 2 sin 2a minus 2b upon 2 plus cos 2c equal 1 upon 2, 1 minus, minus 2 sin a plus b From numerator 2 will be taken common and it will cancel from denominator. Similarly here sin a minus b plus cos 2c. Now transform this a plus b into c. 1 by 2, 1 minus 2 sin pi minus c sin a minus b plus cos 2c equals 1 by 2 1 minus 2 sin c. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. Minus 2 sin c sin a minus b. Now cos 2c is, from use this formula, cos 2x equal 1 minus 2 sin square x. So this will become 1 minus 2 sin square c. Equal 1 upon 2 1. Now multiply with this minus we get 1 plus 2 sin c sin a minus b minus 1 plus 2 sin square c. When we multiply with this minus becomes plus, this plus becomes minus, and this minus becomes plus. This is plus 1, this is minus 1, cancel out. 1 by 2, 2 sin c taken common, sin a minus b plus sin c. This 2 will cancel out, equal sin c. Now again transform c into terms of a and b. We get sin a minus b plus sin pi minus a plus b equal sin c sin a minus b plus sin a plus b. Again apply sin c plus sin d. We get sin c 2 times sin c plus d. D, this is of minus, this is of plus, cancel out. A plus a, 2 upon 2 means 2 sin a and cos minus b. Similar to previous question. Equal 2 times sin a, cos minus x is cos x, so this will equals to cos b sin c. This is the right hand side of the question. So as you see, the same procedure will apply in this question also. So do the other questions of the exercise, and if you have any problem in any question, then ask to me. Okay, thank you.